Hey everyone, it's Neo, your gold trader. Today is Thursday, November 14th. I'm going to be live trading until 6 p.m. Before we dive in, let me give you some background. Usually, I aim to finish trading with 1,000,000 yen, but this week has been a wild ride. I've blown through my initial 100,000 yen 7 times in a row. On Tuesday, I managed to turn 100,000 yen into 900,000 yen, only to lose it all. I've been doing this 3 days in a row, but the 4th time wasn't the charm. After that, my mental game was shot. I couldn't seem to catch a break, and I ended up losing a total of 700,000 yen. I have a rule. Unless I reach 1,000,000 yen, I haven't met my goal. Even if I get to 500,000 or 400,000 and then lose it, it's still a loss. So, I've set my new target to 3,000,000 yen. This will cover all my losses and also account for the 3 days this week where I should have made 1,000,000 yen each. Now, technically, I started trading last night. I've set my take profit and stop loss points and left the positions open overnight. As usual, the video will be sped up 16x. Enjoy! I started with 100,000 yen at 6 a.m. Japan time. The chart was showing a wedge pattern that aligned with the wolf wave pattern. I entered a position of size 2.0 with my take profit target set at the apex of the blue triangle that you'll see in the next screen, which is above the previous high. Simultaneously, I place an opposite order of size 2.0 as an if-done order from the same point. After that, I left the position overnight. The rationale for taking profit was the wolf wave line, and the reason for placing the short order was the wolf wave turn. Furthermore, my analysis of the 4-hour and daily charts suggested a high probability of a continuing downtrend. Then I went to sleep. When I woke up, my long position had been closed, and my balance was 237,023 yen. The short position, which I had set as an if-done order, was currently hovering around a floating profit of 480,000 yen. I decided to let the short position run until it reached the 20-day moving average on the daily chart. After that, I'll consider pyramiding the position by increasing the size 3 times before taking profit. First, I aim to secure 1,078,955 yen, which will give me 1,000,000. Then, I'll go after the remaining 2,000,000 yen that I missed out on earlier and the 700,000 yen I lost this week. First, I'll clean up the chart by removing all unnecessary and outdated lines. Once the chart is clear, I'll quickly check the key points on the weekly, daily, 4-hour, and 1-hour time frames. I've confirmed that the current market is moving on a daily basis, and the gap between the price and the 20-day moving average is likely to close, making it a target for traders. When the price rises, I'll enter a short position of size 2.0. If the price forms a triple top at a higher high and starts to decline, I'll add 2 more positions of the same size, bringing the total position size to 6.0. I'll then calculate the potential profit from this point to the target and calculate the additional position size needed to recover the remaining 2,000,000 yen. After that, I'll monitor the chart's movement. I'll cut the monitoring at this point and move on to the next image. After leaving it alone for a while to monitor, the price dropped as expected, and I now have a floating profit of around 1,000,000 yen. It's the middle of the London session. I want to finish trading within the next 2 hours because the market might reverse during the session change. A large sell order has already hit the market, and after a rebound, I'm considering pyramiding when the next sell order comes in after some profit taking. Ideally, I'd increase my position size to around 10, but XM has been having a lot of slippage lately. When the amount gets large, it feels like they're intentionally causing slippage. First, I'll add another 4.0 to my position. Even with that, I can easily make 3 million yen. So, I'll take profit when I reach 3 million and call it a day. However, I'm short of 3 million yen. I'm missing 2,800 yen. I was a bit late in taking profit. Or maybe XM's algorithm intentionally delayed it. I saw 3.2 million on the screen. So I don't want to believe there's a 200,000 yen discrepancy. But I can't finish without getting the remaining 2,800 yen to reach my target. It's a hassle, but a goal is a goal, and I have to achieve it. I'll aim for a slightly lower price after a bearish candle forms, following a retracement. After organizing the chart and reviewing the lines, I'll look for the next opportunity. I'll enter a short position of size 8.0 at this point and take profit in less than a minute. The trade closed at 3,215,809 yen, and I finally met my quota of 1 million yen for Tuesday, Wednesday, and today. Even though I have an extra 215,000 yen, it doesn't feel like a very good result when I consider the 7 consecutive losses. Numerically, I've managed to balance the books, so I'll end the day without thinking about anything. Bye for now.
Asterisk, the logic I've presented in this video is primarily based on Aki-chan Professor's FX videos. I've created a spreadsheet categorized by topic to help you systematically study his videos. It's available for free on Google Cloud, so if you're interested, please send me your Gmail address and I'll share the file with you. Thank you for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, I'm available to answer any questions you may have about gold trading on Discord. Additionally, I offer free Google Meet consultations every Sunday from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. where you can ask questions about trading or discuss your concerns. Feel free to utilize this opportunity to improve your gold trading, not only in terms of technical analysis, but also brain and finance management. You can find the link to the Discord in the description. I look forward to seeing you all again in the next video. Please don't hesitate to join us.